Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Energy Efficient Cluster Head Rotation in Beacon Enabled IEEE 802.15.4 Networks. Abstract. It is important to extend the network lifetime in order to achieve the better transmission in wireless sensor network. To avoid imbalance between the nodes and the cluster head, we propose efficient cluster head rotation protocol. Our proposed system provides good balance of nodes lifetime and optimal network lifetime in maximum instance. Let us discuss the flow of our project. First, IEEE 802.15.4 MAC layer is created. It gives the network structure of our project. In this wireless sensor network, we create cluster based on the region. The cluster head is selected based on the energy based CH selection strategy. Then, if energy decreased depending upon the cluster head, then the new cluster head is selected and the data transmission is done. If the energy is decreased, cluster head handover is processed. That is, the old cluster head is replaced and new cluster head is formed based upon the threshold value. If the cluster have in one cluster the node have high threshold value, it is setting as a cluster head. Then if the node have highest energy, it is the same node is act as a CH and the data transmission is done. Let us see the output of our project. Open the command prompt window and type ns space main.tcl. When you typing it, it produces the values, that is the scanning values, the available channels and the beacon message transmitted informations. When it finishes, it will produce one window called NAM window. This is our output. This NAM window contains play forward button, play backward button and the time and the speed button. When you start this button, it will produce our network, that is IEEE 802.15.4 network. The IEEE 802.15.4 network contain one PAN coordinator. This is act like a base station. It provides all the information to another clusters. Each colors tells about one cluster. Each round circle tells about the broadcast message. Now the information from the cluster head 5 is transformed to PAN coordinator. The color is changed because of the broadcasting. These nodes are broadcast the information to the neighbor nodes. Now the cluster head is selected as 14, 49, 35 and 5. These nodes are act as a cluster head. Now the informations are transmitted in TCP manner and CBR manner. This label tells about which node sends the broadcast message to this node. So 5 sends the broadcast message to this node 6. At the meantime, all the nodes get the broadcast message. So all the node have the label. This node have the label 21 and this node have the label 37. Now the cluster is changed. First 14 is act as a cluster. Now the node is changed as 1. 1 is act as a cluster, and the node 17 is act as a cluster. So cluster handover protocol is processed in this place. At a time 50.0, the handover process is done. Now we see the graph of our project. This is a graph that provides throughput performance of our project. This is implemented by out.tr, that is our trace file.